everyone. My name is Quynh. I'm 7 years old. Today I will read about the Don't Hiccups. Sorry,
Okay.
Don't. It's just a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Don't is nervous. Oh no, I can't think. I have hiccups. Don's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Don't still have hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. But Don still has hiccups. Hic. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But
But
but but Don still has hiccups. A nurse gives Don a glass of water. Drink it.
drink it
Drink it
upside.
upside down. Don's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music play, music plays. She sings, sings. Her song is beautiful. The cloud thought and gist. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Quynh.